Hi, this is question 30 on ECAA 2016. So for this question, Jez went and visited his mate in a neighbouring town, and on his journey there, he cycled the first 5 kilometres at an average speed of 10 kilometres per hour, and then for the remaining 10 kilometres, he took the bus, which travelled at an average speed of 30 kilometres per hour, and we want to know what is Jez's average speed over the entire journey. Okay, so we can look at this information in a speed distance diagram like this. So first of all, if we look, we can see that the total distance he travelled is 15 kilometres. And remember that speed is equal to distance divided by time, right? So if we know the total distance, then if we can find out the total time he spent making his journey, we can work out using this the average speed over the entire journey. Right, so for the first leg of his journey, where he was cycling, either we can rearrange this for time and use that to work out how long it took him to do this bit, or if we think about it a bit more intuitively, so he was going 10 kilometers per hour here, so it takes him an hour to travel 10 kilometers. So if he's going to travel 5 kilometers, half the distance, it's going to take him half the time, so it's going to take him half an hour. So half hour. And similarly, for this bit, when he was going on the bus, so he was going 30 kilometers an hour. It's going to take him an hour to travel 30 kilometers. He's going 10 kilometers, so that's a third of the distance. Therefore, it's going to take him a third of the time, and so that's a third of an hour. Okay, so the total time is going to be a half plus a third of an hour, so that's 5/6 of an hour in total. So if we now work out the average distance by using this formula with this distance and this time, then we're going to have 15 divided by 5/6, and dividing by 5/6 is the same as multiplying by 6/5. So now I can cancel a 5. So we have 3 times 6, which is 18 kilometers per hour, and that's answer B.